Another Bengali dish, cooking lal shag with sardine fish. Yeah, so this is a basic lal shag dish. Simple and straightforward, really. Got a little pan, put some oil in there, let the oil heat up a bit, and then obviously you need a bit of salt. Obviously, we need salt. Alright, then obviously, just for taste purposes, with some garlic, fresh garlic, finely chopped garlic. 3-4 cloves roughly, depending on how much shag you got. And then obviously at the same time add onions as well, about half a medium sized one. And then the garlics are fairly sort of brown, but not too golden brown, because obviously we're going to put hog in there as well, and then it's going to moisten up, soften up. Yeah, the smell is so yummy. Yeah, so just let it cook, let the onions soften up, and then the garlic fry up a bit. Olud, maybe bit of chili, bit of dhania just for taste, bit of paprika, bit of colour. Right, so we've added a bit of masala, and then now we're going to add the sardines just to fry it up a bit with the onions and the garlic. Just one tin from you can buy it from your local Sainsbury's, supermarkets, wherever really. You add the sardines first, so you can sort of little fry it up, so you can fry a little bit. Obviously it's going to get soft, it's going to soften up when you put the shag inside, shag on it. Yeah, now the sardines are a little bit fried, we're going to add the shag now, the lal shag. Obviously you can buy this lal shag from any Bengali grocery shop. I think it's seasonal, you can't get it all year round, so it's now, obviously now must be seasoned because I bought it from the shop. Yeah, just stir it a bit, mix it all up with the sardines. You can smell it, it's really delicious now. Right, so let the shag cook itself. It's going to be, the water's going to come out and it's going to sort of cook itself about 5-10 minutes depending on, so you got to keep looking at it and then moving around, about 10 minutes, 10-15. Right, this is after about 5-6 minutes. The water's come out of the shag and it's all a little bit dry now, and it's softened up, so it's done now. Taste it, eat it with, hopefully with green chili or maybe nagamoris, will make nice. Bye.